Hello all, welcome back to the tutorial of C programming for beginners. Hi, this is Sakthi Arun, M.Tech student from NIT Patna. I'm technically supporting the missile Ingeniator. In my last lecture video, I have given a theoretical explanations for how we fetch the string values using the getChar and gets function. In this tutorial, I am going to give practical examples in the code blocks for better understanding of the theoretical concept, whatever we learned in the previous lecture video. Okay. Okay, so let me start with an first example for getChar. To do that, I am going to declare the data type as a char, and I am going to declare identifier as a name. Okay, so name equal to getChar. So using getChar, we are going to get the character values. Okay, so ending with, and for printing the values, we're going to use putChar. Okay, so putChar is for printing the whatever the values we got in using the getChar function. Okay, so putChar is going to print the value whatever we get in the name. Okay, character. So now let me run the program. Okay, so I give okay, and then I got as a. Okay, so this is what happens with the getChar functions. So whatever I can give a string values using the getChar function, and I can print the same values using the putChar function. Okay, so in order to get the more number of characters, okay, you can use gets function. Okay, so the gets function is used to read more characters. Say I declare like the array values as 50. Okay, so we can give more number of characters here using gets function. Okay, and to print the values whatever we got in the gets, we will be using puts function here. Okay, so now let me run the program. Okay, basically we have to give a statement like gets. Inside that we have to mention the name function. Okay, so now let me run the program again. Yeah, so now let me type my name. Okay, Shakti Arun. Yes, and I am studying in NIT Patna. Okay, and then I'm my degree is M.Tech. Okay, M.Tech. Then so this is enough. So though I given a blank space here, but in gets function it will include all these things, but it will read the characters until only when we enter when we type enter. Okay, so now I'm typing enter. Okay, so it has printed whatever the values I typed. Okay, except the enter, because enter is accepted as a null character, and string stop the values when it encode an null character. Okay, so that's what happened here. Okay, so this is how we get the values using getChar and gets function, and how we declare the values using putChar and puts function. Okay, so putChar is for printing the values of getChar, and puts for displaying the value of whatever we get using the gets function. Okay, so if you guys have any doubt or comments on this getChar and put function gets function, please post it in the comment section. Okay, so thank you all for watching this video.